The sun contains a ray they can label vitamin D. If you like vitamin D, it's quite alright with me. But I am here to say that I like vitamin love. But I can't get vitamin love with the doggone sun above. I don't care if the sun don't shine, I'll get my lovin' in the evening time when I'm with my baby. It's no fun with the sun around, but I get going when the sun goes down and I meet my baby. That's when we kiss and kiss and kiss, and then we kiss some more. Don't ask how many times we kiss at a time like this. Who keeps score? So I don't care if the sun don't shine. Give my lovin' in the evening time when I'm with my baby. That's when we kiss and kiss and kiss, then we kiss some more. Don't ask how many times we kiss at a time like this. Who keeps score? Oh, I don't care if the sun don't shine. I'll get my lovin' in the evening time when I'm with my baby. Fun song written in 1949 by Mack David, I believe was the writer. Done by quite a few people. Patti Page is a big hit for Patti Page. Elvis Presley sang it. And Dean Martin, he also did it. I'm sure it's on a lot of albums, but those are the three main cover artists that recognize it. If I am correct in saying this, I usually go over and check on Dr. Uke to see if he has a version of a song before I do it, and I'm pretty sure he has one. Unless I'm remembering the wrong song, I believe his is in the key of C, and it moves around C to B. The sun contains a ray from C to B flat. This is in the key of D, and the sun contains a ray, A minor 7, or you could play an A minor if you want to. They label vitamin D. If you like vitamin D, it's quite alright with me. But I am here to say. Anyway, the only other weird chord in here is a D sharp diminished. But try to remember that I'm not a theory guy, but every diminished chord, to my knowledge anyway, has 4 names because there's 4 strings, and it can be named each one of these, and it depends on what precedes it to give it its name. And I'm playing this next diminished chord coming up after this first long line of D. I don't care if the sun don't shine, I'll get my lovin' in the evening time when I'm with. On my sheet, that's a D sharp diminished. And if you want to change that, to a C diminished, you can, because it's 2-3-2-3 with my baby. And then the next one up that has a diminished is a B diminished. It's no fun when the sun around, but I get going when the sun goes down, and I meet, which is 1-2-1-2, my baby. So there you go with that weird chords. One reason why in the beginning, when I messed around with the D and the A minor 7 instead of an A minor, is if you ever want to play this in with barred chords. The sun contains a ray. It's much easier to play an A minor 7 there than an A minor. A minor 7 here is easier to play than an A minor. So you have that option. The sun contains a ray, or ray. So yeah, all my song sheets are a framework for fun. Have fun with the song. UkesterBrown.com. Look it up under I, because I don't care if the sun don't shine. I actually do.